Workflow automations are rules that tell OneDesk what to do when specific events occur. Common examples of this are automatically sending replies on new tickets, or automatically putting new tickets into a specific project or assigning them to a specific user. Let's look on how to create and modify those. Click Administration icon here. Select the application you want to be impacted. In this case, let's look at tickets. And scroll down to the Workflow Automation section. Here you can see a list of workflow automations that are running on your tickets. For example, this one automatically publishes new tickets on the customer portal. This one emails the requester when the item status is updated. There are some disabled automations available as well. Let's show them. Here's one. This auto assigns new tickets. I can turn that on if I want to make use of it, or I can turn them off if I don't want them. Let's take a look in more detail at the email requester when item status is updated automation. I can click the edit icon here, and this pop-up shows me the logic of this rule. This runs on tickets, and if I want to run it on other things, I can modify that here, or I can even filter it down so it only runs on specific tickets that meet my filter criteria. The orange tag here represents the trigger event. In this case, it's when the lifecycle status changes. And the green represents the actions that OneDesk will take when this trigger event occurs on these items. In this case, it's sending an email. If I click that tag, I can in fact see the details of this email. Here, the action is send email. It sends email to the requester. Here is the subject line of the email. And here's the body content of the email. As you can see, the body content and subject line contain some dynamic properties. You can insert them using this control here, move them around. Any changes you make should then be applied, and when you click Save, it modifies the workflow automation. You can also rename the workflow automation if you'd like to give it a different name, but we'll automatically generate one for you. To create a workflow automation, click here and fill out a very similar form.